The poor Maddie got trapped under the blanket. Oh, poor Maddie. Maddie, are you stuck? Are you stuck under the blanket? Mommy's gonna leave the room. Goodbye, Maddie. Goodbye. I'm leaving. Maddie! Come here, Maddie! Maddie, 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 Maddie! Maddie! Come on, Maddie! 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 I just realized she can see me under there. Gonna hide around the corner. Mom, are you awake? Damn. Maddie? Who's there? Who's there, Maddie? Who's there? Maddie, go see. Come on, Maddie. 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 Come on, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come here, Maddie. Come on. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. Come on, Maddie. Maddie, come on. Maddie. Come on, Maddie. Come on. Let's go. Mom? Come on, Maddie. This is so rude. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, Maddie. You can get out. Come on. Are you okay? Are you okay under there? I don't think she's happy. You okay? Sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff. I got a nose. I got a nose. Well, she's still breathing. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. She about broke my PS3. Angus, come see Maddie. Go and get her. Go and get her. Well, She'd find her way out by now. It's been 5 minutes. Okay, Maddie. Let's free you from the evil blanket. Oh my gosh. Oh, did you get out? Did you get out? I think she's mad at me. Freedom for the Maddie. Freedom for the Maddie. Go tell her how mean I was to you. Go tell her, Maddie. Maddie's free.